Good morning, guys. Today is 22nd of July, and you might be thinking what I'm doing outside the Simple showroom. So I am at the Simple store Mapsa, and the previous issue which I had told you all कि गाड़ी बंद हो रही थी, that thing happened yesterday on 21st July, and it happened once with a single rider. I'll attach the clip, you can check that out. So गाड़ी चलते चलते बंद हो गई, and then again I was trying to switch it on, नहीं हुआ. Then just like the previous time, then I turned the key off, waited for 15-20 seconds, वापस on किया, हो गया. Now then I spoke with the technician, the headquarters वाला technician. So the joke is, just before the bike turning off, I had met him on the way, just probably 2 kilometers before, and then उसने overtake किया, and after probably 500 meters के बाद the bike stopped. If we were to get the bike, उसके सामने बंद हो जाती. Okay, that's fine. But then I called him up. Then I told him everything. Then he was like, get the bike tomorrow, which is today. Okay, 22nd of July, and because of which I have come here to keep my bike. So they searched on the cloud. They found some issues. Okay, like they searched for that same timing when the bike turned off. उनको नहीं मिला. Then it was showing failed. So headquarters say he got a suggestion that just check all the wires and cabling. Is there an issue with the wiring? Is any connector or coupler loose? So he's gonna do that today. He's gonna check everything. So I'm gonna keep my bike. Okay. So here's my bike. We're gonna keep the bike, and we have a donor bike here, which is the Gen 1. Okay, that's you can see without the sticker or even the cockpit. So we're gonna take that and go, and then come back in the evening, and we'll take our bike. So I will update you what all are the issues, what all they find. Okay, so I have got my bike over here. I'll just turn it on and I'll show you what we have done. So we did find what the issue was, and what I can say is the issue was not with the software. Unfortunately, it was a coincidence. We had to get our full wiring harness replaced. Yes, we had to get it replaced, and I will just show you a quick look why. If you see this wire, it's been eaten by the rat. So two of the wires were eaten by the rats. Okay, because of which the technician was suspecting that thing. Before suspecting, they got the input from the headquarters. Either the wiring harness is faulty or it is the MCU. The first thing was the harness. So I gave a bike in the morning, and they opened the bike, and उनको वो wiring cut मिल गया. So what the technician was like, maybe water was falling on it, and उसके वो short होके it was shutting down. Two connectors were almost cut. That was the reason. One of the connectors was the OBD port connector. So, and now I will test the bike. Same things everywhere. They did the whole procedure. They cleaned, they installed. So I have seen detailed video. So the guy, the Shinu guy, his name is Shinu. He has done everything. He has recorded everything. So I will show you. Now you can watch all of those things in order. This is the cable of the OBD port which was eaten by the rat, and here you can see all the dirt which was collected by it. So that's how it looked before, and then the technician made sure the wires are all protected and covered with tape. This is the new wiring harness which we have replaced now, and these are all the protected couplers. So now I'll show you where the wire was cut. I have removed the harness here. So this is the cable, and this cable is of the OBD port. As you can see, it's eaten over here, and उसके पीछे आएंगे तो ये वाला कपलर जो बैटरी के उधर लगा था, that one is also eaten. So you can see. You guys will be like कि कितना खर्चा आया? So I had two options. One is directly buy the harness or do it via insurance. But insurance, you know, it will take time, and I also didn't want that hassle. So I was like, let's pay. Now the cost of the harness is around 4,600. The whole harness, which was from here to everything, so pura wiring has been changed. So it is 4,600 is 50. and with labor, labor was around 500, 550. So total bill which I paid was 5,202 rupees. So I'll attach the screenshot of the bill. You can check it out. I'm gonna test this harness now, and it just started raining. So I hope the wire, after replacing the wire, I should not face this issue. The thing is, uh, as per them, it should fix because the wire was hidden. If it still not fixes, then it is definitely the MCU issue. So let's hope for the best. And it started raining very heavily. So I hope this video was very informative. I will definitely keep you guys posted if I'm facing any issue or if it has been resolved or not. So till then, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, that is Drive with Vedang. Till then, ride safe, drive safe. Bye.